Hi, my name's George Dunn, and I'm president of CRE8 Independent Consultants. And I'd like to talk to you about how you can improve your current processes.
Is there an area in your organization that's not working correctly?
Are you facing lawsuits or union issues? As a manager, do you have trouble tracking down what is actually happening or getting employees to implement the improvements you desire? These symptoms could be caused by an issue in the underlying process. Perhaps the process is not designed correctly or being followed consistently by your employees.
You think the root of the problem might be that you've got a process issue? If so, what's the first step to correct the process?
Why not just put in a new computer system to fix a process problem? Unfortunately, jumping to a new system can cause problems of its own. Unless process issues are first understood and fixed, putting in a new system will simply automate the errors in an existing process.
What about just telling your employees to change? Can everybody go in the other direction? Seldom that ever works.
To improve a process, an organization must be able to answer the following questions. First of all, what's the goal of the process? Secondly, how does a process actually work, step by step? Next, what type of stress points in the process are causing stress to employees or to your customers? What's the first step for your organization? Contact us at CRE8 Independent Consultants. We're happy to discuss your needs and chat about ideas on how we can help your organization with process improvement and technology planning.